Hello and welcome everybody to yet another video on Spec-Driven Development SDD presented by your mentor Vivek. Now let's dive into the phases 8, 9 and 10. Shorter than the big ones, but this is where WorkshopHub becomes a real business tool. Session records, policy documents and FAQs, plus a small confession at the end that teaches a big SDD lesson. Let's talk about session records. Phase 8, session records. After a class or a one-on-one, the owner writes up the session, and the spec supports both habits. Type notes directly into the platform, or for the paper notebook people, upload a photo or a scanned PDF. The goal: every student has their own record file. Notes, photos, documents, session by session, and process note. After this phase, I review it, approve it, and only then move on. The stop points are real. Let's move on to phase 9, the policy PDF generator. Phase 9, policy documents. The waiver and privacy sheet a studio hands to a new student. The studio's details, the student's details, the terms. Read, agree, sign, file. These are the terms. WorkshopHub generates it automatically. 2 pieces: a template settings page with a WYSIWYG editor and a button to download the blank template as a PDF, and on each student's detailed page, a button that downloads the policy PDF already filled in with that student's details. 1 template every student, 0 retyping. Let's move on to phase 10, FAQs and the lesson. Okay, phase 10 is simple: an FAQ manager in the dashboard. The owner writes questions and answers, and they appear on the public site. And the confession: while writing these phases, I realized the setup wizard is missing a field, the studio's business registration number, which the policy documents needed. So what do? Go back and patch the phase 1 spec? That's the lesson. The agent file is a living document. When a later phase exposes a gap in an earlier one, you edit the constitution before the agent ever builds it wrong. Okay, now the outro. Records for every student, policies generated in 1 click, FAQs flowing to the public site, and a spec that heals itself when you find a gap. Up next, phases 11 to 15, public settings, themes, images, and notifications. So, I'll see you in the next unit. Bye for now, and take good care of yourself. Peace out.